Hi everyone! So today I have a very special dish for you. So my husband's mother is Algerian and she used to prepare him Algerian dishes when he was a kid. So he often asked me to make tagine recipes. So today I'm making a chicken tagine with preserved lemon and olives, and I serve this dish with couscous or homemade fries. So let's start. Using a knife, I make 2-3 cuts in the skin of each chicken piece to help the marinade penetrate. Next, I prepare my marinade, and I will use spices such as cumin, ras el hanout, ginger, turmeric, saffron, coriander, salt, pepper. For the ras el hanout, you can buy it on Amazon. That's where I got mine. And if you want a recipe, because you can mix spices, you can go check my blog. I have a recipe for the ras el hanout, and just check that out. I will leave the link in the description box for the recipe. So yeah, I will just add spices to my olive oil and then put back the chicken to marinate. And you can marinate the chicken for up to 12 hours in the refrigerator. And here I'm just cutting some onions, and I will cut also some garlic, and I will cut also my preserved lemons. You can buy the preserved lemons on Amazon. That's where I bought mine. I will leave the link in the description box. You can also make preserved lemon, but you need to can it, and it takes wait time of few months. So I suggest you to just buy it directly off Amazon. So after that, over medium heat, I will saute the onion and the garlic. And next I'm just adding my chicken, and I will cook this over medium heat for about 15 minutes, and I will stir occasionally. After the 15 minutes, I add the olives, the preserved lemons, and also water. I cover with the lid and I cook on low heat for about 45 minutes. And after that, you can serve this dish with homemade fries or couscous. I hope you will try it, and if you want the full recipe, it will be on my blog. I will leave the link in the description box. So thank you, have a nice day.